should be a baby. I got some steaks. Did you want steak? Oh, yeah. I would love that.
Dude, look how many there are. There's like 10.
Oh, look at them now.
Dude, there's like 12 of them there.
Can we do the fork, KJ? Yeah, I just turned the ice maker on. It was awesome. So, probably not too much ice in there yet.
What did you say? So do you want to get a fork?